Actually, doesn't look like we had any chat questions come up per se, so I'll just open the floor for anybody who wants to verbally ask questions. If there are any. And you can always contact me separately. I think my contact information is on the SmallSat website. If you have any questions, looks like Michael.
Yeah, can you hear me, David?
I can, yes.
Oh, great. Thank you. Very impressive.
Oh, thank you.
Do you guys tackle any structural issue?
Do we tackle any structural issues?
Yeah, in your design, in your products.
Well, certainly
Structural integrity.
In terms of the propulsion systems, we certainly do FEA analyses, and then we also vibe test the systems and verify they function after vibe and TVAC, if that answers the question.
Yes, great, thank you, and go fighting Illini.
Yeah, go Illini, yeah.
I'm from the old town.
Oh, okay, very good.
Yeah. Do you have any, this may be rude or abrupt, but do you have any opening for structural analysts?
Do we have any structural analysts here?
Opening, yeah. Positions.
Oh, no, we do not.
Okay,
No.
that's fine. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Any other questions? Well, I will just keep the Zoom open here for the next few minutes. And if anybody wants to raise a question or thinks of something to ask, I am happy to answer. Thank you very much for your time. And it's been a pleasure doing this global webinar for my first time.
Where's the location of this? Is the south of the campus?
So we are very close to the, we're very close to the intersection of I-57 and I-74. So we're actually northwest Champaign. We were in the University of Illinois Research Park in the earlier years of the company.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
David, this is Sam Dias from ATA.
Yes.
Engineering. Just want to say thank you for sharing.
Oh, you're welcome.
And I guess I did have a little bit of a follow-up here, I think, to what Michael was asking. You said earlier, you know, you do testing to be sure that everything is working, you know, afterwards and so forth. Do you guys do most of your testing in-house, or is that something that you work with partners with?
We do a mixture. We have our own thrust stand set up, so that's typically how we validate all of the post-vibe and post-TVAC testing. Historically, our vibe testing has been done with engineered test services in Indianapolis, and then our TVAC testing has typically been done at the University of Illinois Laboratory for Advanced Space Systems.
Gotcha. Thank you. Do you typically do a lot of like I guess pre-test analysis, or is it something where you're just trying to, you know, run it through the various environments and see if everything's fully operational afterwards?
Oh yeah, lots of pre-testing.
Okay.
Yeah, and these systems, they're all kind of new technologies, new innovative technologies. So there's been a lot of R&D on the systems that go into the final product, and even then, we still feel we can optimize further on the systems, like the FPPT system. While we've achieved 2400 seconds, we have ideas about how to take that even higher in specific impulse. So it's a process, you know, it's a development process, and somewhere along the way we make a decision, okay, the system is good enough, and we'll go with it from there and try and improve it later.
Yeah, there's always that balance, right, of good enough, or we'll spend another 3.5 months on this, right? So
yeah.
Great. Well, thank you again. I appreciate your time today.
You're most welcome. Thank you.
What papers do we have coming in upcoming conferences? Do you know?
Good question. So we have a couple of FPPT type papers that are in the works. There was a technical note that was submitted to Journal of Propulsion and Power. And then there's a theory one, couple of theory ones evolving right now. But those probably won't be published until next year. The tech note might come out this year, actually.
Okay. Joe is off and writing. Does he have anything coming out on Spark? Or?
Not yet, no.
Yeah. Cool.
Hello, can you hear me? Or?
I can hear you, Joe.
Yeah, so I have an abstract in for AIAA SciTech, and so that'll cover Kappa's research, and we'll probably have a little bit in there about sterilization, because I started talking about some of that during our aviation meeting, or the AIAA aviation meeting.
Excellent.
Yeah, that might be included a little bit anyway in some upcoming publications.
Cool.
Yeah, Julia, I think we can probably terminate this at this point.
Sounds good. Thank you, everybody, for attending.
Yep, thank you very much. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. Bye-bye.